Okay, class, let's continue with our activity. No, this activity is going to start on page 84. We're going to work with vocabulary number 2, phrasal verbs, clothes. Now, let's see. When we talk about phrasal verbs, we're talking about two-part or three-part verbs. Okay, in this case, we have two-part verbs. So, verbs in uh, in Spanish it's like compuestos, no? Verbos compuestos. It's was my interpretation. Number one, use your dictionary to look up the meaning of the phrasal verbs in the box. Then listen and repeat. So, first of all, we're going to look for the meanings. And there is something important. Those phrasal verbs are classified in two. The, the first part says separable, and the second part says inseparable. What does separable mean? That is going to be very interesting because they the object no we're talking about could be after the phrasal verb or in the middle. Now, let's see. First of all, listen and repeat. Okay? We're going to practice, so pay attention.
Unit 5, Track 48, Activity 1. Separable.
Give away. Pick out. Pick up. Put away. Put on. Take off. Throw away. Try on. Wear out.
Inseparable.
Get into. Go with. Look for.
Okay, now let's see. The idea is to practice, okay, because in class I'm going to ask some students about this new vocabulary like give away, pick out, pick up, put away, put on, take off, throw away, try on, wear out, get into, go with, look for. Okay, this is the pronunciation. Now let's see what do they mean. For example, remember, if you look on your dictionary, in some cases, some phrasal verb can have more than one meaning. So you need to look the right one, in special about clothes. Okay, about clothes. For example, if I say I give away is, for example, it's a gift. I bring something like a gift for a birthday party. I give away a shirt. Exactly. Regalar. Perfect. Pick out. Well, you go to the supermarket or you go to the department store and you decide, you pick out this or that. This one is good, that one is cool, this is beautiful. One, two, three, mini, mani, mínimo. Pick out. Elegir, that's right. Pick up. What is pick up? For example, pick up when you have something in your hand and suddenly it's on the floor, so you pick it up. No, pick up something. Put away. When I say put away, it's like, for example, when your teacher is in class, no, and you have your books, your notebooks, your dictionaries, your pen, your pencil, etc. And the teacher says, put away your things. Put away. No, put your things in the correct place. No, guárdalos, ponlos donde corresponde. Okay. Now let's continue with put on. Put on is like, for example, you buy a new pants and a shirt and you put on to go out. Ponerse, perfect. Take off. For example, when I learned take off, I learned take off as a despegar. For example, planes. But in this case, we're not talking about planes, we're talking about clothes. So take off is like when you arrive home and you take off your shoes. No, you take off your shoes because they are dirty. Sacarse. Throw away. Throw away. Throw away is like, for example, botar, tirar, arrojar could be, no? Throw away the garbage is an example. Try on. Yes, like for example, when you, well, today no, it's impossible, but before COVID, you say, I am going to try on this shirt or those pants because they're beautiful, no? Try on, and you go to special places, no? And you can try on that new clothes. Exactly, probarse. Let's continue. Wear out. What's the meaning of wear out? For example, let's analyze. If I say wear, no, wear is vestir. So there is no problem right there, no, vestir. But when I say wear out, what is out, teacher? Out is afuera. Perfect. Vestir afuera? No, that's not the idea. When I say, for example, wear out, it's like, for example, eh, when you wear a dress or something and you use it every day, and then in a month, 2 months, in a year, it's wear out. Gastarse, no? Wear out. Let's continue. What about get into? Any idea for get into? It's like to enter, it's like to yes, to enter in something, could be. Okay, now let's continue. What about goes with? No, let's see. Go with. Go. It's like in okay. The meaning is like very similar when you translate it. Salir o ir con alguien, ¿no? Acompañar, another possibility, or salir, no? Go with. Look for. Now let's continue with the last one. I say look for. What about look for? Buscar. ¿Ya? Buscar. Buscar algo. That's the idea. Okay, listen. Now you have the meaning, you have the pronunciation. We are going to work in this part. So here we have rewrite the words in bold using 5 of the phrasal verbs in the box. This sweater is too small. I can fit into it. Fit into. Get into. No puedo entrar. No me entra, no? That's good. This t-shirt really old. I'm going to put it in the trash. No? So put it in the trash. It's like poner en la basura, but what phrasal verb can be the right one uh, for this phrase, no? Because I remember at the beginning we saw it. Could be pick up, pick out. I like this sweater. I'm going to find out if it fits. No? I love sales. I always find good bargains in the store. Bargains, ofertas, okay? In the store. Fine. Does this black jacket look good with these black pants? No? So, what do you have to do? Remember, try to replace the phrases in bold with a phrasal verb, no? I'm not going to wear this top often. I don't want it to deteriorate. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do this activity in class. So I just read the sentence. I didn't write the answer or tell the answer. So because I need you to practice those phrasal verbs. I'm sorry, those phrasal verbs. Also, in number 3 says complete the sentences with the order phrasal verb in activity 1. No, for example, in this case you have something, no, and there are two spaces. So this means that it is separable, separable, separable. Also here separable, separable. No, remember you have separable and inseparable. Be careful, okay? Okay, let's see. So this is going to be an activity for you, no, so that you can practice. Now let's read. I'm going to read that number 3. I don't know what to wear. Can you pick something out for me? Letter A. Letter B. When your room's messy, my mom tells me to put my clothes away. It's so hot in here. I'm going to take my jacket off. Do you want this belt? I want to give it away. It's cold. Put your coat on. I can't find any sneakers I like. Can you help me to look for some? Okay, I give you some the answers, so please listen carefully and try to write the answers. Tip: some phrasal verbs have multiple meanings. No, multiple meanings. I told you at the beginning, no? For example, I say take off. When I was in studying English, the meaning for me, no, my teacher told me take off is like despegar, no, like a plane. But then I searched that they have different meanings, no. Like for example, pick up, no, is another one. So always read the context to decide on the appropriate meaning. Reading. Look at the sentences. Remember to look at the messages. What is happening on Sunday evening? So what do you have to do? You are going to listen to the audio and then read and listen the text, then write true or false. Okay, let's play. Pay attention, please. Let's see.
Unit 5, Track 49, Activity 2.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Lucy. Are you going anywhere Saturday evening?
Yeah, it's Jenny's party. Aren't you going?
Wow, how could I have forgotten? Are you wearing anything special?
I don't know. I might wear my new blue skirt. How about you?
I'm going to wear my new green dress.
I want to wear my black boat neck top, but I've lent it to someone. Was it you by any chance?
Don't think so. Let me check. It might be somewhere in my messy closet.
Thanks. It'll be great if you find it. Otherwise, I'll have to go to the mall to buy something to go with that skirt.
Remember that this Saturday is a national holiday. Nothing will open.
Right. I must get it tomorrow then.
But hey, your top's here. I've just found it.
Yay!
And how are you getting there on Saturday? Is anyone driving you?
Nope. No one will be home on Saturday.
I'll ask my dad if he can take us there.
Great. Can you give me a ride?
Sure.
Thanks. Let's talk tomorrow to arrange it.
Yep. Bye.
Well, class, this was the audio. No, said look at the message. What is happening on Saturday evening, class? According to what you listen, what's going to happen? Lucy and Anna are going to a party. Excellent. So the answer, Lucy and Anna are going to a party. Now let's see. Here we have 4 sentences. So what do you have to do? To write true or false. Lucy is going to Jenny's party. True. Anna was planning to go with the Anna was planning to go to the party when Lucy called. True. Anna's wearing a black dress to the party. False. Anna's top was in Lucy's closet. Yes, that is true. Excellent. Now we're going to continue with this part. Grammar number 2. Some, any, no compounds. Look at indefinite pronouns in bold. In the sentence below, write P for the ones which refers to people, T for those which refers to things, and L for the ones which refers to locations. People, things, and location. For example, letter A. I have to go to the mall to buy something to match that skirt. What could be? People, thing, or location? Of course, thing. Okay, so something replaced to a thing. To buy something, no? Are you, letter B, are you wearing anything special? Are you wearing anything special? Okay, is referring to thing. Letter C, I've lent my black top to someone. Excellent, people, not to someone. It might be somewhere in my messy closet. It's for location. Somewhere. Is anyone driving you? It's a question, so it's for people. No? Let's see. Look at the chart and complete the rules below. Things, people, or occasion. I want to buy something really original. I never go anywhere without my cell phone. No one has bigger shoe collection than Imelda Marcos. Let's see. We use someone, anyone, and no one to talk about people. You have three choices, okay? Anyone, someone, anyone, and no one to talk about people. We use somewhere, anywhere, and nowhere to talk about locations. Somewhere, anywhere, and nowhere. We use something, anything, or nothing to talk about things. Things. Hey, mister, but how do they work? They are the same? No, exactly. They have different ideas. Okay, different way of use. Underline number 3 the most appropriate indefinite pronouns in the sentences below. My uncle is participating in a fashion week event in New York. He has staying somewhere or somewhere in Central Park. Someone is for a person. Somewhere. Excellent. No one or nothing wears casual clothes at that school. It looks like that they are all going to party. No one. Talking about person or people. I haven't bought anything or I haven't bought anyone for my mom's birthday. Of course, anything. Do you think she'll enjoy a bright pink skirt? Something or someone called you while you were in the shower. Of course, someone. I've had nothing or I had nowhere to eat today. I must go grab something. Nothing. Okay, class, we're going to finish here. We're going to finish here with these activities. Now we're going to see. Complete the rules with the words in the box. Affirmative, negative, or questions. For example, we use some and no compound with verbs with affirmative words. So, some or no with affirmative. We use any compound with negative and in questions. Okay, that is the rule. You use a few exercises before. You said all have the same idea. No. Remember, some and no with affirmative, and we use any. No, we use negative, sorry, and questions with any. Okay, with any. Okay, here I have two extra activities, so we're going to complete this with the grammar learned today. Thank you very much. It's all for now. Bye bye.